Hello all. In earlier tutorial, we have learned about TestOps and how to integrate TestOps with Catalan Studio, how to analyze the result, how to upload the project in TestOps. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about TestOps and Jira integration. For Jira settings on Catalan TestOps, click on Jira add-on link. If you click on the link, you will reach this site. Click on try it for free button and click get it now. This will be 30 days trial. Click login and log into your Jira account. After logging in, click on try it for free and click get now button and click get started with Jira Cloud. Once this has been done, click on get started for free up to 10 users and enter your site name. You can enter any name over here and click on the agreed and sign up button. It will ask you a few questions like what type of team do you work with. Answer these questions and go ahead, or you can skip the question. It asks you to invite your team. I will skip it for now. Then it is asking it help us to set up your Jira. If you are new to Jira, you can select new to Jira, or you can select experienced, or you can even skip it. We have to select the template name from here. Do you want to have the Kanban or Scrum or bug tracking template? I will select the bug tracking template and I will give the project name and will create it. Now your Jira account setup is done. Your project is created in Jira. This is cloud account, Jira account. After Jira setup, in the Jira application, go to apps and click on manage your apps. Click on find new apps and here search for Catalan. It will search for the Catalan test management and automation app. Click on that and click on get app button. Once you click on the get app, click on get it now, and once it has been added, click on manage apps. You will find your app over here. Then go to your project and in the project settings, if you go down, you will find Catalan settings. Click on Catalan settings. After clicking Catalan settings in Jira account, you will get the details for Catalan settings, that is email ID, API key and organization ID. You have to enter the email ID which you have used for Catalan TestOps login or Catalan login, and the API key of Catalan and the organization ID. You know the email ID. To get the API key from Catalan TestOps, go to Catalan TestOps and in the right hand corner you will click and find your profile, and under your profile you will find the API key. Go to API key and copy that and add it here over here. You will get the organization ID by clicking the settings and selecting organization management. Here you find your organization ID. Copy this ID and paste it in your Jira and click save button. Once saved in the Jira, go to your Catalan TestOps and in the Jira settings, enter the URL enter the username, that is the email account that you have used for Jira. To get the API key for Jira, we have to go to Jira, and in Jira, in the settings, click on Atlassian account settings, and in Atlassian account settings, click on security. In security, you will find API key. Click on create and manage API token and click create API token. Name the API token and click create. Once created, copy that API token and go to your Jira Testops and paste it there. Enter your mail ID and API key and then test connection. And the connection is successful. You can save the connection. It is done. You have integrated your Jira. Now you can check the defects. You can transfer your test cases from the Jira to Testops and Testops to Jira. You can work on BDD framework using Jira and Testops. This way you can work with Testops. You can integrate Jira with Testops. Hope you liked it and you found it useful. If you are new to this channel and would like to learn Catalan Studio from beginning to advanced, please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. Thank you.